Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna unbox a stuff that just come today. They just came in earlier. It's a headphone stand which uses 3M tape. So it's quite simple. The box I'm in. This is the contents. So first I got here the headset mount itself, headset stand. It's made of metal and 3M tape. We got two. I guess I should stick one here and also one here, or just one, and this is just a replacement. So for the materials, it is made of metal and the color is metallic black. As you can see, it got hole in here. I guess if you want to not use this 3M tape but use like some kind of screw, and you can use this hole, but I'm not gonna use that for now, I think. So yeah, I got it for around $3 or $3. Let's say $4 including shipment. Okay. I think this is good enough and quite sturdy. As you can see, guys, I think this is super neat and super simple. I like it very much, and it's metal, so it's strong. I like it, and it fits to my setup super beautiful. So I'm not even disappointed spending like $4 on this kind of thing, rather than just like keeping it there. Yeah, I think it's fine, but I just want to make some clearance if I able to store this headset somewhere, like I can place somewhere here like a book or something else. So yeah, I think I like it very much. Thanks for watching and see you.